Got her working. What are you digging over there, baby girl? So this is what it's for. No, the little four-wheeler. She gone. Now, if you drive it that slow for a couple of years, it should last. But if you drive it like we were driving it the other day, it probably won't last that long. Hey, you want to see the wood that we got, that we cut up the other day? And watch out. Got another one over here. Get his shoes on. Whoa, took his boots off. Look at this wood. Yes, sir. Smells good too. All that wood. 2 racks. I'm gonna build a shed of some sort. We're gonna figure that out. I think it's gonna go right there. I don't know what it is about wood and being out in the woods. It is fun for me. We're going to do some maintenance on some trails, make them wider on this property. But cool, I'll check back with you here in a second. Yep, y'all remember this trail? Not really, it's got leaves all over it. That's what I've been chiseling at for ever. You can see the, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the lean on it. Let's start chiseling. A little more progress. Gotta get notched out right here, but I'm stay on this hill so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can still see what I'm talking about, but I'm on a hill and trying to get flat. I guess there's a little better view of it. It kind of goes down at an angle. We're just flattening it out. Yes, sir. A lot of work. This is actually my thumbprint to my YouTube page. Anyway, after everything's said and done, it's gonna look good. I'm keep on widening out, widening out, widening out, widening out. Just side by side down here, or something that's wider. So anyway, all right. So far, this is the saddest, and I got to make that a little bit more flat. Almost there, so you can tell what I've done. I don't know, probably 20, 30 feet. Just hacking away. All right, it's getting dark and we're getting tired, but you can see where it is on a hill. We sliced that sucker up, but we gotta go all the way down. If we want to make it perfect, we gotta go all the way down. And I'm trying to make it wide enough for really anything to get through it. We have a pretty good start right now. We can blow off all these leaves so you can actually see, you know, where it kind of starts. One reason why we wanted to make a trail here, because it's beautiful out here. You can kind of see where we finished up for today. Stay tuned and you will see the whole wrap up in the trail. Appreciate y'all hanging in there with us. I probably got mud all over my face from the pick, splashing mud all over my face. We got a lot more to do. This is not the beginning. We're about probably 75% done. So I just wanted to clear some leaves out of the way so I can actually see the trail. That's not one thing. That's another. What I've been dealing with right here. See that?
Hmm?
This is what I've been working with all through this trail. I'm just trying to get off the trail for now. There we go. They're right there. All right. It's water, but
Why don't you bring the shovel?
I got it.
Oh.
I just want to kind of give you a little bit of an update. We're just trying to widen the front. I guess this is the start. It's kind of hard to see, but I did blow it off so you can kind of see what's going on. Eventually there'll be rocks all the way down, but you can kind of see the path. Just trying to widen it a little bit more every time I come here. Keep on going. I'll turn around a minute so you actually see it without the sun leaning in on it. And it'll probably 30 more feet. I'm gonna try smoothing that out a little bit, but go. You can see where I notched it out right there, all the way up. Getting there. It's gonna be pretty soon. All right, back to work. Nothing like getting rocks that big out of something that deep. I mean, it's like that all over the place. That's why it's taking me so long to do this trail. All these rocks you see is where I got them out of the ground from here. Another big monster. Man, this whole trail is made of rocks. It's about over a foot and a half long. It's big to me anyway. And in the dirt, that's probably 6 inches or more in the dirt. Using the old pickaxe. Is a rock. It is in there pretty doggone deep. But we're gonna get it out. It's gonna look good. This is the rock I was talking about. Boom.
Uh-oh.
All right. All right, we'll be back. I'm glad. A little bit of progress there. You can kind of see that I have widened this sucker out. It is getting there. A lot more level than it was. It's taking a while with a pickaxe and a rake. I haven't used a shovel yet. We're getting there. We got a lot happened today. Just where I widening these trails, you can see where I dug and kept on going. But it is going to look good. Man, I wish that sun wasn't too blurry, but it's pretty flat. You can see where I stopped right there and just kept on going right here. On up and on down. Let me turn around and you can see it a little bit better. Maybe. The sun's so bright. But you'll see where I notched out the hill. The old pickaxe. Less Healy. Alrighty everyone. The sun's gone down a little bit. So now you can kind of see the process of the trail. We'll walk a little bit. Sorry about the stabilization. But you can kind of see that I pickaxed all that. You can see the hill going down. So it's getting a little bit better, a little bit wider. Keep on walking. It's a lot flatter, I'll tell you that much. And you can see where I got it right there too. Man, that's about a foot right there. Not finished. I mean, it's pretty good now, but I can pretty much ride all the way down. The leaves, I blew the leaves out of the way so I can actually see the trail. But you can kind of see it a lot better. A little bit at a time. Make it not lean as much. Right here I did a lot, as you can see. It's a whole lot. Oh, that's clay. Oh, that's clay. But yes, sir, you can see a lot better right through here. It goes around and up. There's Big Man right there on the four-wheeler. You'll see all these rocks eventually, these big old boulders coming out of the ground. I mean, they're everywhere. We have a lot more work to do. I've been working on this trail for a while. I mean, you know, it's fun. It's a good exercise. If y'all would subscribe, greatly appreciate it. Talk to y'all later. Peace out.